to the power 4 plus 4t square plus 4 is equal to 0. Find out the t value. So first we can write this is the t to the power 4, so t square this, and this is the t square plus 4 is equal to 0, and we take the t square is equal to x, so we can write this is the x square, 5x, this x, and 4 is equal to 0. And now this is x square, 4x plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. You can write this. And now this take the x plus 4, and there is the take 1 x plus 4, and this take the common x plus 4, and there is the x plus 1 is equal to 0. And now if x plus 1, so we can write x plus 4 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 4, and x, so t square, x is equal to minus 4, so t is equal to minus 4, and this is, we can write the 4 and minus 1, and so 4 is 2, and there is 2i, so t value is 2i. This is plus minus 2i, and x plus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 1, and similarly t square, x is equal to, this is minus 1, so t is equal to, put this, and this value is obviously the plus minus I, so this value is this I, and this value is this, so t value is both this and this. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.